guy, I always cut his hair. His hair before like this. It's bald, a little bit here. But right now he got a lot of hair grow back after he used the shampoo this one. Shampoo this one I just sell to him only 1 month. After that he got, oh man, so exciting. See, a lot of hair grow back. A lot of hair. This is only 1 month. He said that he used only 1 month. Before he's bald like this, but right now a lot of hair grow back. So we'll let you know after 1 more month what happened. I think that is so good, the shampoo. This one is so good.